Technology in its broadest sense has affected my life across the board, as it has billions of other people. From internet and internet shopping, I can't remember the last time I was in a bookstore, much as I love them, and email use. I haven't sent a regular letter in a decade, to computer use in general, to medical procedures, to financial transactions, to meditation support. I use some of the brainwave entrainment and electrical stimulation programs, at least on occasion, to assist access to various states of consciousness. And I've tracked my own brain waves on the mind mirror. There's actually a video on the web called Ken Wilber Stops His Brainwaves, which shows me hooked up to a mind mirror. And the mind mirror, all of its electrical components all go to zero in measurements, except a constant delta state, which happens only in deep sleep and in constant witnessing awareness. So it's pretty funny to watch, though, I have to say. What's going to happen as we increase our understanding of the upper right quadrant and the very specific brain states that occur during meditation is that we're going to be able to refine the brainwave entrainment programs considerably. Right now, they're fairly shotgun approach, just theta or delta or theta plus alpha, that sort of thing. But there are, as subdivisions in these 5 major basic states of consciousness, dozens of subdivisions of the states of consciousness available in the waking up process. As we get finer fingerprints of these subdivisions, we will be able to help induce much more specific meditative states, and these will very likely have a much more effective impact on driving the whole waking up sequence to its very high states. In other words, brainwave technologies will become much more effective in helping to drive enlightenment and its states of being. If these are indeed effective, this will likely become the single most widely used path to enlightenment known in the West, possibly the world. It is through this technology that enlightened states of consciousness could be introduced to very large numbers of people in the West, and indeed around the world.